Hello guys, today we have two engines, two very special engines. One is 1G beams with manual transmission. You can trace the part number to find out which car is it from. The engine condition is pretty clean. Yep, it's pretty clean. With all its components like power motor, compressor and alternator attached to it. And we have another engine that is 3SGE beams, also manual transmission. It's also complete. The inside color is pretty clean. Both engines are complete. Other than the catalytic converter, everything else is there. 3SG beams and 1G beams. Both are manual transmission. They're probably both front 6-speed manual with one reverse gear. So total 7 gear. If you have any inquiry, you can write in the comment.